Hello and good day traders. This is another pair which is Great Britain pound and New Zealand dollar. And currently we are in yearly time frame, if you guys can see here. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the last 8 years. Very interestingly, the New Zealand dollar and Great Britain pound and New Zealand dollar is ranging for a long time within this range. Let me mark the range which is very interesting to see. Rest forget on the left part. So this is the place where the price is moving, and if we measure the depth here, let us see how many pips we are talking about. So it is around 6,000 pips, and the middle of this is here. So in yearly time frame, we can see it is giving us a bullish, but we have a very big shadow right now as the price is showing us here. So just I will do the yearly time frame analysis after 29th of this month, because 29th is Friday and that is the last working day of this year. So we look into that what information we can gather from here after 29. So this is just to show you guys how the things are going in terms of a yearly time frame. Now if we move to monthly now, uh, uh, if we move to monthly, we can see this is the range that we have mentioned just a few moments back. This is the range actually. So if we mark this range, this is the range we have in monthly time frame. This is the range, and if we measure, it will give us the same reflection of 50% in the same zone. Just we are putting it in lower time frame for our better analysis. And this is the same, is 50% of the total zone. Now, do we have a monthly double top? Officially, yes, we have. We had a monthly double top here, and to see any monthly double bottom, we can measure it from here if we go to far back, but there is no double top. So we'll use the 50% zone area to find the latest monthly double bottom. So let us mark the double top first here on monthly. Okay. So this is the monthly double top we have, and also put the lower range of the monthly double top, so it gets very clear now. And this bottom top has created some bottom here, and this is the highest bottom I can see after this. So from here it took the flight to create this top. So we can see this red and green and red and green. So bare minimum, this is the area from where it created the double bottom for the current top we had here. So let's mark it also in context of our analysis. So this is the thing. Now if we measure the depth here again, we can see the 50% area is lying somewhere here. So it is our opinion that whenever a price, a double top or double bottom is formed, let us remove the bigger range 50% from here. So this is the official 50% for us to consider at the moment. So any double top or double bottom is made, it tries to reach the 50% of the area all the time. Now you see it went up, created this 50%, came down again and made another. So it is not actually double top, double bottom. It is quite a long, we can say it 1, 2, 3, triple bottom already has been formed. So price came down from here to here, it went up, came down, then it went up here and came down, then it went up again, it came down, and it created this one. and it is on the highest peak. It created a double top, and now we are expecting the price to be here. Now, why did the price stopped here? That is a big question, because always I told you earlier that a deep retracement followed by a support break, the price will come here. And for the last 2 months I am repeating this thing, and I clearly mentioned the price has broken this area, and we detected this on last October, and I mentioned clearly when it was broken here and the price went up. Can you guys see here? Okay, let me enlarge it a little. It was broken here. You see, this was the biggest support here, and this red candlestick on September broke this, and then a deep retracement has happened. And on October I told clearly the price will come back here, and it did came back, but it failed to maintain that level, and it got bullish again a little bit here on current month. So let's see what pushed this price back again, as we do not have a red and green, so we cannot declare any monthly double bottom here. So if we move to weekly, and we can see there is nothing here also, because this is green and red last recognized, and this is green and red, but we need red and green, so nothing is here in weekly. And if we move to daily, and there may be something, yes, we can see now that this is the place from where the price has made a double bottom on the day side. This red and green has created this red and green, and this is the area where price made a double bottom again. And so it is in day time frame. If we see, and let us, but sometimes people get bored when I try to find the double top and double bottom, but it is for everyone's concern, I would like to clearly mention that these are the key thing which plays the most vital role in deciding or finding out the probability of taking trade, either we should take long or short, because based on this we decide that from where the market has started giving us reaction and where it should move next. So we had a double bottom in daily time frame, you guys can see. And sometime I do analyze in a different way. I would like to share that with you guys too, that this top has created this bottom, and this bottom has created this top. So this is pattern, this is our pattern 1, this is sorry, I beg your pardon, this is pattern 1, this is pattern 2, and we are heading to pattern 3 now. And this is the idea of pattern 3, where you guys can see this is the pattern 3. So after pattern 3, the BFI mostly get involved manipulating the market on pattern 4 or pattern 5. So here in pattern 3 we have two things to see. First of all, we do try to understand the market structure, and if you guys see, this is a cup and this is a handle, and very clearly if you guys see, this is the cup and the handle has been created already. So if we now take this pattern into consideration, first what we can, let us measure the depth of the cup, and you guys can see the most interesting part, that the handle has been completed exactly in 50%, and it tried to break that 50% once again, and it is coming back to the neckline again, and it created a double top, double bottom here. So once it created a double bottom here, we have two choices. One choice is we have this will reach here, the price will come back here again to get some momentum, strength, liquidity, whatever you say. All this because the price came here, got rejected, started being bullish in here, and again it retraced back. And if this trade fail to break either this deep support line, what we have seen in monthly, this deep support line which has been broken on September in this candle, it failed to broke this support line again, and it retraced back on being bullish. So let's get back to daily time frame. So it again went back to bullish, and again it tried to retrace, but it didn't break the support line yet. However, I have two choices here. One choice is plain and simple. Let me show you why I am giving you the choice. This deep support line has been broken once, twice, thrice. Can you guys see? On the flip side, on being bullish, you can see this big candle has never been broken in the last 3 months. Okay, so the upside traction is much more less. This is one reason the probability that the market will get bearish, though we are seeing in day time frame that it got bullish and created a double bottom here. So my way of thinking is simple: to wait and see, and if you get a 4 hour time frame, we can see that the traction towards being bearish is getting slow, because here it created a shadow. Again it created a very good candle, bearish candle, but it didn't able to break this line. So if I would like to trade now, what I will do, I will wait and see that the price has something. Let me mark it. Either it fails to fail this line, then it will move here. Very simple. A very simple and easy judgment here. Nothing is confusing here. This is one option I have in mind, but I have to see the price action first before I decide. The second thing is this, that if for any reason the price break this neck of the cup. This is the neck of the cup, guys. This is the neck. Let me extend it so you guys can understand. This is the neck of the cup. You guys see? If the price breaks this neck of the cup, because it has tried once, twice, thrice, 4, 3, 6 days in different in day time frame, 6 different occasions in day time frame, it tried to break this neck, but it failed and it went bullish. So if it breaks the neckline, it is a inverted cup and handle. I beg your pardon, I'm telling you cup and handle, but it is a inverted cup and handle. So this is the thing. 1344 pips, not a matter of joke, my dear. It's a big thing. It's a big thing. So if we measure the cup, hold on, I don't want to measure it. I want to measure this one now. This guy. Hold on. Let me measure from here to here. Okay. And if we move it from here to here, okay, hold on. So we are expecting something like this, and 50% will be somewhere here. Okay, this is the guy we should mark. That's the 50% of this will be something somewhere here. So on flip side, if for any reason guys, this price is this area is broken, and if we retest this area, the price will come at least to this zone. So these are the two options we have at the moment in our hand. One is the this guy and another is this guy. So I will wait for some price action in daytime or maybe in 4 hours. You guys can see if this red candle, this guy is trying to break this line or this line, because this one is a big support and this is the daily double bottom zone. And if it fails here, then we are expecting it to be here. On the contrary, if it doesn't if it's successfully able to break this bigger support, then it will come down like anything, my dear. It will come down because it has, in monthly time frame, we have seen it has tried to 1 2 3 tries. On the daytime, we have already marked it 6 different occasions. It is trying to break this zone, and any zone which it tries more than twice, it is fragile. So take care, guys. Make your proper arrangement, risk management, so you don't lose money. At the end of the year, everything is a little bit risky. People are in holiday mood, they can spend money any way they want, so some people will try to gamble. That's the whole thing, so be careful. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and press the bell button if you want to get the latest video of my channel. Thank you very much.